Hey everybody, Natasha Koch with the Vancity Home Team in RE/MAX, and welcome to our Sunday Tour of Homes tour bus. How our tour works: every Sunday we pick a new area. You get to see 6 to 8 properties. They are all within a certain area and a certain price range. We will give you the lineup of all of the properties a month in advance so that you can reserve your seat on our tour, and you get to see more properties in less amount of time every single Sunday. The reason I have this bus is so that when you come on it, you feel comfortable to go and view properties. This tour is not just about our listings. This tour is about all the listings that are on the market. We have a lot of fun on our bus tour, but we take the buying and selling of real estate very seriously. Contact us to find out how we can help you.